y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Christy Okosun. Girls, I want to tell you something. I've been doing this combination of my hair growth oil and of course taking my the beef collagen, which I used to replace the nail cell collagen. No, the beef gelatin that I started using to replace the nail cell collagen, and I can tell you my hair is super strong, thicker. Oh my god, I did my wash day yesterday. It was raining so much I couldn't even record, because when the rain falls here it's like hails hitting the roof. Not the rains in tropical countries. Oh, let me tell you, sister, when rain falls in tropical countries, it's like war. You might have heard stories of the flood carrying children, carrying houses, carrying adults, carrying cars and all that. It's not fake, it's real. So I did not even bother about recording because I just wanted to wash my hair and get out because it was so cold. But I want to tell you that this hair you're seeing right here is much thicker. Like I said, there's a challenge in growing your hair when you are over 40. I am 42 and I can tell you I have seen tremendous improvements in growing my hair. Ooh, and it's looking so moisturized. Although yesterday what I did was I washed with African black soap, then I deep conditioned. What did I use to deep condition? Yeah, the strengthening, the shea moisture honey strengthen and renew. I'll get the name, not so sure about the name, which is actually protein deep conditioner. It moisturizes as well. So after that I deep conditioned, then I rinsed out with rice water, just not excessively, just one time. I did not put it over and over again because I'm aware that I'm using a deep conditioner that has protein in it. So I now used my at that point my hair, because I do this wet assessment. Thanks for the book Science of Black Hair by Audrey Silverstosi, if I'm right. So I did wet assessment. After rinsing off my hair was super strong, like straws. And you know that's how hair gets when you use a lot of Ayurveda. So strong. I didn't even use the spritz I made with. Hey, I'm going to tell you about that spritz after I've seen the results. I won't talk about this spritz now. So I now applied Eden Body Works Leave-In Conditioner. I first of all applied coconut oil, the KTC own odorless coconut oil on my scalp, because I noticed my scalp gets dried on time. So I applied the coconut oil on my scalp and I applied my DIY oil. Yes, let me tell you about that oil. It's a combination. I'm going to show a video of how I do that oil anyway. Combination of fenugreek, aloe vera, bringraj. What else? Yes, I do not put MSM because I'd rather take the MSM internally. Please. The economy is not smiling. I cannot shout. Then so I have the fenugreek. I had some amla left, so I used the amla, aloe vera. I'm gonna show how I do it anyway, but not in this video because I was washing yesterday and I couldn't just. I'm gonna do it anyway. And then I made my DIY butter as well with some shea butter. So after applying the leave-in conditioner, the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner, before I go on, first of all, I'm so angry at Eden Body Works. Your leave-in conditioner is so good, but your bottle is so small. I noticed not all of the high-end or raved hair products they rave about in the US is good for us, because climate is different. I live in a very humid country, but the leave-in conditioners that seems to work with me, I think I'm going to do a video on the leave-in conditioners that work for me as a Nigerian natural living in Nigeria. Eden Body Works is one of them. I love it, so fantastic. My all-time favorite is TGI and Daily Living Butter, but that thing is expensive. So after applying the coconut oil, back to what I was saying, coconut oil on my scalp, I now applied the Eden Body Works, applied my DIY oil, then I sealed with my DIY butter, and let me tell you, my hair is still moisturized, a bit wet, I guess because of the butter, still moisturized, and the thickness, oh my god, can you see that? Boing, 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 boing. I discourage that as much as I can. Now I'm telling you, once I loosen this, which I do not have any plan to do, you won't believe that. Do you believe the amount of hair gathered and makes it look as if it's just this? It's thick, y'all. So it works. I'm so pleased with the what do you call it, the beef collagen by Now Foods. Though sometimes I think I need to really observe that, as if I'm getting heartburn with it. But I need to observe so I don't kill myself because I want I want long hair. It works so well. And the DIY oil, jeez, that thing works. It works. I'll look for a before and after. I'm not really a picture person. I'll look for a before and after, and I hardly remember to carry my camera to compare how my hair was and now how my hair is now with this DIY oil. And I'm going to show you a video of how I do my DIY butter, so stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do that. Once again, it's your girl Christy Okosun, all the way from Nigeria. And if you are living in Nigeria and you're wondering, how do I go natural, what products do I use, don't go for every product, because believe me, it might work over there for our sisters in America doesn't mean it will work over here, because this is a humid, extremely humid country, and then we have different hair types. I don't like going for the type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. But I'm going to give my own view about the typing thing. I'd rather go for the S, and that's what I'm called S-O curls. So till we meet again, bye y'all.